Going through this procedure with JAWNT really helped get my dental care back on track. And in doing that, not only do I have better functionality in my mouth, but also it's really given me a lot more confidence to start smiling with my teeth and feeling comfortable with that smile. My name is Whit, and the procedure I had done with JAWNT Oral Surgery was wisdom teeth extraction, as well as prepping a site for implants, and then eventually I did get those implants. I decided to go with JAWNT Oral Surgery because it had such a knowledgeable staff and really explained the procedures to me in a way that made me feel confident going into a decision like that. Additionally, they really have a lot of technology here that helped put my mind at ease that implant positioning would be really good and that I wouldn't have any problems really down the line with that. Being with JAWNT for the procedure, not only was all the soft skills from all the staff that I interacted with before the procedure just really on point, but the anesthesia that they gave me worked really well. I didn't have any side effects, and I felt comfortable and calm throughout and pain-free, so that was great. If someone is looking for treatment, I really do wholeheartedly believe that they should choose JAWNT Oral Surgery. You'll never find a better team of professionals that treat you like family.